for me, the excitement in my day-to-day job really stems from the fact that I lead a group that continuously focuses on improving the risk posture of the company through improved controls and processes. We've gotten more modern with our approaches and really tried to evolve with some of the tools that we use, which is one of the primary reasons we were really excited to get involved with the Risk Cloud package with Oracle. And one of the key objectives that we really wanted to focus on was access. Obviously, just making sure that only the right people had access to our data, to configurations, to transactions. And that's always a challenge with audit. The top capabilities in the cloud solution that addressed our challenges, the capabilities that were there with AAC to do deep, precise analysis to identify segregation of duties or SOD issues. I think that the security model in Oracle is pretty complex. The tool allows you to build rules and then to deliver real-time results so that it's early. You're able to have early identification of any issues and remediate. And we decided to deploy it early so that we could be a part of analyzing the roles and ensuring an effective go live. The benefits that we've seen since deployment, I think I focused a lot on the deployment and sort of the pros of early adoption of this tool. But the biggest benefit since, this tool continues to allow us to do continuous monitoring of roles during production, so that it does eliminate or isolate at least the time period where we do have any exposure. So not only are you learning more about the roles as you do that, but two, there's the plan for remediation. There's no guesswork as far as, what do we need to do to fix this so we can resolve this issue. AAC gives you what needs to be fixed. And so you understand the privilege that needs to be discussed with management, then removed to be free of SOD issues or just to take the risk out of some roles. For the stakeholders, which is management, more than anything, I think that this tool has allowed them to get more educated and knowledgeable and more effective at managing access risk, because I think they're more involved. They appreciate how user-friendly the results are, and that they can understand what needs to be changed, and they can understand more about the roles. And so even just when I hear, in conversations with them as we monitor access, the fact that they can, chime in with privileges and different roles and understand it like all the way up to the SVP level, that's music to my ears. We also really could not have done it without PwC. This is brand new, and the security model in Oracle is completely different than any other system that we've got. So even if we would have had the tool, we would not have been able to do it without the experts at PwC to help us, guide us to arrive at what the applicable rules were from an SOD standpoint. I would certainly say you need a partner to do it right and to do it effectively, and not to waste a ton of time trying on your own, because I did that, and there's an easier way.